Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 9 June 2020. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discussing and analyzing the current affairs of 9 June. It is very more helpful for all competitive exams. So proceed towards the today's session. This was our previous day questions. Thank Mom Plantation campaign started in which state? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Delhi. The correct answer here is option B, Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, Thank Mom Plantation campaign is started, and in this campaign, the employee will take care of the plant just like their mother. The capital of the Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Lalji Tandon. Our second question is Pritam Singh passed away. He was a famous writer, politician, actor, lawyer. The correct answer here is option A, writer. Pritam Singh passed away. He was a very famous writer here. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next proceed. This is our first question of the today's session. World Ocean Day is observed on 5th June, 6th June, 7th June, 8th June. The correct answer here is option D, 8th June. On 8th June, World Ocean Day is observed. The theme of 2020 is innovation for a sustainable ocean. Okay. Next question. Who is appointed as Senior Director of Google Cloud? Anil Valluri, Ravish Kumar, Tim Cook, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Anil Valluri. Anil Valluri is now the Senior Director of Google Cloud. Okay. Here you can see the Anil Valluri in the image. He is now appointed as the Senior Director of Google Cloud. Previously, he is in the top executive of NetApp. Previously, he is in NetApp and now he is in Google Cloud. Next question. Kurt Thomas passed away. He belongs to which country? Australia, America, Brazil, Bangladesh. The correct answer here is option B, America. Okay. Former Olympian Kurt Thomas, the first American male to win the World Championship gold in gymnastics. And in 1978, he captured gold medal in floor exercise for the US first men's title. Okay. Next question. Monica Mohta appointed India's next ambassador to which country? Kuwait, Switzerland, Finland, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Switzerland. Okay, Switzerland. He replaced CB George. Who is now ambassador of Kuwait. Okay, and who is now the ambassador of Finland? Ravish Kumar. Ravish Kumar is the next ambassador to Finland. Here you can see the Monica Mehta is in the picture. Okay. Next question. M. Netra appointed as Goodwill Ambassador for the Poor by UNADAP. She is from which state? Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar. The correct answer here is option A, Tamil Nadu. She is from Tamil Nadu and she is now Goodwill Ambassador of UNADAP. The abbreviation of the UNADAP is United Nations Association for Development and Peace. Okay, and M. Netra is only 13-year-old girl, and now she is the ambassador of Goodwill Ambassador to UNADAP. Next question. Hamza Koya has died of COVID-19. He was related to which sports? Football, cricket, basketball, hockey. The correct answer here is option A, football. Okay, he represented Maharashtra in Santosh Trophy. Okay, next question. Who developed successfully indigenous nasopharyngeal swab? CSIR, National Chemical Laboratory, IIT Delhi, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, National Chemical Laboratory. The National Chemical Laboratory of Pune successfully developed an indigenous nasopharyngeal swab. It will collect sample from throat cavity of patient. Okay. Next question. Who is among the following research institute developed low-cost artificial intelligence-based test kit for COVID-19? IIT Delhi, IIT Mumbai, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Kharagpur. The correct answer here is option C, IIT Hyderabad. Okay. This kit can give result in only 20 minutes. So it is very effective. It is a artificial intelligence based test kit. Next question. Safe online learning in times of COVID-19. This booklet developed by UNESCO, NCERT, both A and B, none of these. The correct answer here is option C, both A and B. Both UNESCO and NCERT developed this booklet. Okay. Full form of UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Headquarter is in Paris. Headquarter is in Paris, France, and the full form of NCERT is National Council for Educational Research and Training. Headquarter is in New Delhi. Okay. Next question. Ministry of HRD and Sports is collaborated to produce a series of how many films? 10, 12, 15, 20. The correct answer here is option A. Both HRD Ministry and Sports Ministry now collaborated to produce 10 films regarding sports. Okay, and our HRD Minister is now Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, and our Sports Minister is Kiran Rijiju. Kiran Rijiju is our Sports Minister. Okay, this is our last question. Next, it is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Mega Sandesha app is launched by which state? Second question is, which state reported that highest death of tigers? Thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Stay with Educational Wings. Thank you for watching this.